LG uploaded a teaser video of its upcoming smartphone that will be sporting a dual screen. It could be the next iteration of the LG V50 Think that could either be called the LG V60 or the LG V60 Think. The company plans to announce the smartphone officially on 6 September. LG's next smartphone could arrive with 5G support when it's unveiled at the IFA in Berlin, Germany. It is Europe's largest technology trade show that is going to be organized between 6 to 11 September 2019. The company uploaded a 15-second teaser video on Instagram that has a Duel the Better title. It's followed by an animation of a clock where the hour hand moves from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, suggesting the movement of the second screen that can be positioned at either 104-degree or 180-degree. In the end, the teaser also shows the date and time of 6 September 2019 and 10 am that could be indicative of the phone's launch at the specified time. According to report, the new phone uses a freeze-stop hinge technology so that the second screen can be positioned at any angle like a laptop. Nothing else is much known about the South Korean giant's next smartphone. OnePlus CEO Mr. Pete Liu had expressed his company's intention to diversify from smartphones into the TV segment. Information on the same was not available for a while, but last week there was some news about the upcoming TV as it passed through the Bluetooth SIG certification. The certification listing reveals that the TV will be an LED TV running on Android TV, with model numbers suggesting that the same will be available in 4 screen sizes: 43-inch, 55-inch, 65-inch, and 75-inch. Now, new information has emerged which sheds light on a possible time frame for the launch of the OnePlus TV. According to some reports, OnePlus is planning to launch its range of smart TVs in the last week of September 2019. An exact date has not been confirmed yet by the company, but the reporting website suggests it could be September 26, 2019. The source also suggests that the OnePlus will be launching an OLED TV variant. BIS certification information suggests that the OnePlus is using panels from TPV Display Technologies Private Limited for at least one of the variants, which the reporting website claims does not produce an OLED panel. Since we do not know there are multiple TVs to be launched, there could be differentiation in the core technologies present across the variants. As per the previous information, the 43-inch variant could be exclusive to India, while the 75-inch variant could be only for the US and China. Expectations derived from previous statements from OnePlus lean towards the top variants coming in with a 4K HDR display, though the final specification can only be confirmed by the OnePlus themselves. It also remains to be seen what other unique features OnePlus adds into its TV lineup to let them stand out from the competition. Pricing also remains a largely unanswered question, and we wouldn't be surprised if OnePlus attempts to lean towards the higher end of the pricing spectrum. The Huawei Mate 30 series will be the new flagship smartphones by the company. According to the latest reports from a Russian publication, the forthcoming devices may be introduced on the 19th of September this year. Along with the launch information, the report also reveals both the Mate 30 and the Mate 30 Pro will run on the latest Kirin 990 chipset from the company. This is supposed to be a 7nm SoC, which is significantly powerful and efficient than the Kirin 980 powering the Mate 20 and P30 series. Past leaks of the Mate 30 and the Mate 30 Pro have revealed they will be having a similar design to their predecessors with a slight reduction in front bezels. The devices will also feature an all-new camera setup, which is speculated to consist of two 40MP sensors. They may also support the 5x optical periscope-style camera from the P30 Pro, but nothing is certain yet. Unfortunately, more details like the pricing and availability of the handsets are still shrouded in mystery. But with just over a month left in the rumor launch date, we may not have to wait long to confirm our suspicions. Realme has made a spot for itself among the top 5 smartphone companies in India in the last 1 year of its operations in the country. This can be attributed to the company's vigor towards capturing almost all categories in all price brackets of the mid-range segment in India. it took a step towards a premium segment by launching the very impressive Realme 10 in India last month and is poised to continue the same momentum with the upcoming Realme 5 and the 5 Pro next week and the 64MP camera smartphone later this year. Hardware-wise, Realme smartphones offer a good bang for the buck. For its software experience, however, Realme has been depending on Oppo and using its ColorOS Android skin. Lately, we have been hearing off the record from the Realme's leadership about their plans to introduce its own Android skin, and these speculations were fueled by Mystery Project X, for which the company hired beta testers with previous experience in testing pre-release software. There was, however, no official confirmation about the whereabouts of this mysterious project until now. At the company's 64MP camera announcement, Realme CEO Madhav Sheth confirmed that Realme OS is under development and will be available for the Redmi devices existing as well as the upcoming, starting at the end of the year. Sheth also confirmed the publication that Realme OS is most likely to be based on Android Q. We do not see any confirmation as to whether the older devices, which may not get updated to Android Q, will get the update or not. We hope to learn more in this respect at the upcoming Realme 5 series launch, which is scheduled for August 20th. The changes that Realme OS brings to the smartphones remains to be a mystery, but we hope to see a consistency in the shape of the icons, a system-wide dark theme, improved battery stats, digital well-being, and more. Realme has already promised to bring these features to its devices.